Having a detox drink first thing in the morning is an easy way to get rid of those toxins in our bodies. There's no need to follow a crazy detox diet. Simply remembering to drink one of these detox drinks every morning should help you feel at your very best. Let's get into some of the best easy detox drinks you can make from natural ingredients at home on a daily basis. 1. Apple cider vinegar. The idea of drinking vinegar as a beverage every day might seem a little unusual to you, but apple cider vinegar is actually one of the most popular morning detox drinks around. The beverage is thought to help cleanse and purify the colon and support healthy digestion, which in turn can help you lose weight. This detox drink is best taken first thing after waking up on an empty stomach to give you the most noticeable benefits throughout the day. To make an apple cider vinegar detox drink, mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with filtered water. You can also add a little lemon juice and black pepper for taste, but some people like to add honey too. This drink won't taste delicious, but the lemon juice will be a nice distraction from the tanginess of the apple cider vinegar, and you'll get used to it. 2. Honey, lemon, and ginger water. There's a reason why honey, lemon, and ginger are so popularly paired in teas and cold herbal beverages. Lemon contains vitamin C, which has antioxidant properties, the very thing you need for a detox. Ginger can cleanse your digestive system and beat gas and bloating, making it easier for toxins to pass out of your body. Honey, as well as adding to taste, is one of the best detox ingredients for weight loss and is said to flush the toxins out of your body, making it ideal for a morning detox. To make this no-fat honey ginger lemon water detox drink, take 2 cups of filtered water and add a couple of lemon slices. You can also add lemon juice to your water. Lemon is effective in all forms. Add a thumb-sized slice of ginger, then allow the ingredient to infuse in the fridge for about an hour. Add your honey to taste before drinking the lemon ginger honey water immediately. 3. Green tea. Here's a no-recipe detox drink that you may find easier to prepare on a busy early morning. Green tea. Often touted as the healthiest beverage in the world, green tea, a natural detox for your system, and has anti-inflammatory properties that you won't find easily elsewhere. This detox drink can protect the liver from toxicity, boost your immune system, and even help you lose weight, as it'll keep you feeling fuller and make you less likely to reach for a big breakfast in the morning, enabling you to banish fat the healthy way. 4. Turmeric tea. Who said that green tea was the only healthful detox drink around here? In recent years, turmeric has made quite a name for itself as a detox ingredient thanks to its antioxidant, weight loss, and anti-inflammatory properties. You might know it best as the bright orange spice that's often used in curries, but many people choose to get the health benefits of turmeric the easy way by combining it with hot lemon water to make a detox tea. To make a cup of turmeric detox tea, simply combine lemon juice with boiled water and add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Don't add any more than this, as turmeric has a quite bitter taste that can be overwhelming. You may also like to add some ginger powder and honey to taste and for extra detox benefits. Wait for the turmeric lemon water to cool before drinking. 5. Alkaline water. Looking for the simplest detox drink of them all? Alkaline water might be the very thing you're looking for. The water that comes out of our faucets is naturally slightly acidic, which can play havoc on the human body, leading to digestion issues and other health problems. When you drink alkaline water, that is water with a higher pH, this detox drink can naturally cleanse the bad stuff out of your body and prevent acidity. The best way to access alkaline detox water is to buy a water ionizer, which you can set to produce water at a specified pH. 1 cup of alkaline water immediately after waking up will cleanse your system like nothing else. In this case, it's best not to add other ingredients like lemon, ginger, or honey to this detox drink. 6. Ginger, orange, and carrot juice. If you usually start your mornings with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, you're doing something healthy for your body already. Oranges boast antioxidants and vitamin C, and studies have found them to be anti-inflammatory too. Many detox drinks contain oranges for that reason. But why end there? Carrots, which are packed with beta-carotene, can aid with weight loss and digestion, making them an ideal detox drink ingredient, and ginger is a superior detox ingredient when it comes to its digestive cleanse and weight loss abilities. To make this detox drink, you'll preferably need a juicer, from which you can yield 1 cup of healthy orange and carrot juice without the stodgy pulp. After juicing your bulk ingredients, add a little ginger spice or put the whole thing in a blender with a piece of chopped fresh ginger, leaving the skin on for extra health benefits. 7. Apple cider vinegar, cayenne, and turmeric. You might never have thought to add cayenne pepper to a morning beverage, never mind thought that it was a great detox ingredient to cleanse your body, but prepare to be surprised. Cayenne pepper contains properties that encourage circulation and help the body to rid itself of acidity. When added to this particular detox drink, cayenne pepper is anti-inflammatory. Can also help the body to better absorb turmeric, which we know by now to also be a healthy detox drink ingredient for a whole body cleanse. Apple cider vinegar can lower blood sugar levels and help with weight loss, while lemon juice is a healthy source of vitamin C, fantastic digestive aid, and weight loss ingredient. To cleanse with one of the most well-rounded detox drinks, simply combine 1 cup of warm water with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, the juice of half a lemon, ginger powder if you like, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. 8. Ginger lemonade. Of all the detox drinks we've discussed so far, it's clear that there's a bit of a trend. Most drinks contain lemon, ginger, or both of these healthy ingredients. When you combine these drinks together, they boast benefits that they don't have alone. Drinking a refreshing glass of ginger lemonade is a guaranteed great start to your day, and this juice is pretty delicious too. You can buy ginger lemon detox drinks in cafes and supermarkets, but the smartest healthy choice for your body is to make your own juice at home. Simply combine 2 cups of filtered water with the juice of half a lemon, a thumb-sized piece of ginger with the skin on, and a tablespoon of raw honey. If weight loss is your goal, omit the honey from this recipe. 9. Green smoothie. We couldn't have made a list of the best detox drinks without including a green juice somewhere. Green smoothie drinks are ideal for weight loss as they're filling enough to drink in place of a typical carb-heavy breakfast. This detox smoothie recipe has double the benefits because it includes chia seeds, which are a great source of healthy fat. They also turn jelly-like when combined with water. This means that they can collect toxins as they pass through your body, making them one of the most effective natural detox ingredients for a full-body cleanse. This recipe calls for some of the healthiest detox diet ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, 1 banana, and 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, along with 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Simply put everything in the blender for a delicious weight loss beverage that's completely guilt-free. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on lemon, cucumber, ginger, and mint water detox benefits. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.